So, hi, today we are looking at Flora, Fauna, Botanicals, and Bees sticker color and activity book. Over 200 unique stickers. They're both by Chartwell Books. And if you are here for the first time, I am doing a flip through of these books. These are books that I purchased from Bookoutlet.ca because I am in Canada, and they were a Boxing Day week sale offer. They were very, very good prices, and at the moment I do not know if these are available through Bookoutlet.ca. They may be available through other vendors. And I am just doing a flip through of the books that I got, just because I like to see what's inside of books, and often on certain sites you don't know what's inside the book, and you're buying sight unseen, and I'm just giving you the opportunity to see what's inside these books so you can tell for yourself, judge for yourself if this is something you would like to invest in. So let's look at Flora, Fauna, Botanicals, and Bees, a sticker, color, and activity book. Over 200 unique stickers. If you saw the video I did on, or if you saw the flip through I did of Oddities and Curiosities, sticker, color, and activity book, you will see it is a similar system, similar type of book, but I can almost guarantee you that the stickers, the images in this book will be quite the opposite of this Oddities and Curiosities. So let's just see what it says at the back. Explore the wonderful natural world with this curated collection of more than 200 exotic stickers, plus more than 50 pages of ecological coloring, word games, puzzles, and activities. Perfect for any sticker enthusiast, scrapbooker, puzzler, or nature lover. This book is a unique treasure trove of wild earth's ephemera. How lovely. I could give you the ISBN number right now. After the flip through of some other books, I've given the ISBN number after, but I'll just give it now. 978 07858 46130. And again, I purchased these from Bookoutlet.ca. I purchased these Boxing Day week, so after December 26th, the week of December 26th in there. I ordered them and I received them, and mind you, we have our post is not functioning at 100%, so I believe it took maybe 10 days, including weekends and the holidays, or maybe less. Was it 7 days? 26. Yeah, I think it took like 7 or 8 days from the time I ordered for these books to arrive. So, and that's including weekend there. So, Flora, Fauna, Botanicals, and Bees celebrate the diversity of life on Earth. So, explains a page, a puzzle from the start, a color page, complete the image. It's lovely. Some puzzles, some mazes, and the solutions are provided near the back. Again, the back paper, all the papers are matte, as well as the stickers are matte, so they can be altered if you want to alter them with pen, ink, pencil, whatever. Each sticker has an outline. This one has a white outline. So if you were looking for a sticker that had no outline, this is not it. You could color the white part if you want, or cut it out. But each one of these images here on these 2 pages is an individual sticker. And this is the back of each page. They're lovely, lovely paper. And there is a poem on each one. Oops. And here's some cute animals. They're lovely. Quite realistic looking. Oh, and here's some sea life. Some tropical life. There's plants, and there were some fish. This one is some more animals, jungle animals, rainforest. This one is match the birds. And the answers are on the back. Oh, here's some recipe for some syrup. Oh, and infused vinegars. Fun with flornatology. Flornatology. Ah, the study of birds. Introduction. Okay. That's cute. And then some poems with little critters and, well, different things of life. Now try your hand at writing verse. Yeah, they're verses. Sorry. What's in a name? So the explanation of some of the names used in nature for various plants, I guess. Some connect the dots. Intricate connect the dots. This one has more than 300. Ooh, goes up to 300. Aye. Something. So yeah, these are not for little kids unless they're very good. Nature trivia. Some more back page, some more animals. Wow, there's quite the combination here of animals. There seems to be woodland, desert, and jungle animals all mixed up in here. Okay. There's an elk and a rhinoceros. Okay, there's a parrot. There's a little pig. Okay. Some vegetation, succulents here, flowers. Okay. Oh, these are stickers. These are also stickers. Oh, here are the bees. Lots of bee. This is bees and honey. Some butterflies. A coloring page. Did I skip a page? No. Oh, this is a coloring page. This is the back of the coloring page. There's another coloring page. Another coloring page. Another coloring. Several coloring pages in this one. Coloring page. Okay. Back to stickers. Some more stickers. Here we have Arctic mammals. We have, well, a dolphin. That's not really Arctic, but it is ocean. Because I saw the white fox, the penguin, these to me seem like Arctic animals and mammals, but the dolphins are not. Okay. If a tree dies, plant another in its place. Yeah. Okay. Poems. And here we have an assortment of wildlife and a tree sticker. Some more. To me, the assortment of wildlife is very I'm trying to find the right word for me. They're kind of jumbled up. They're not really in categories. Oh, and here we can have some fun with caption this. What did is this a monkey and a sloth, I believe? Saying. Here we have a match the sticker page. Whoops. Information on bees, on the queen bee. Instructions for making beeswax candles. Here we have a matching game. Here's another matching game. Instructions on how to preserve a bouquet of flowers. Flowers suitable for drying. Okay. What is your scientific name? Okay. Caption this. There's two bears. They could be talking to each other. This one seems to be sticking his tongue out at that one. Match the sticker. Again, a activity where you find the matching sticker to the silhouette. Sudoku, some trivia, namesakes. Okay. Oh, how certain animals and critters are named. Okay. Match the amphibian, reptile, and insect. Complete the image here, or coloring page. Oh, here we have a scavenger hunt. Okay. Some mazes. And some more caption this. And the answers to the mazes and the other puzzles throughout the book. This is what is the correct answer to the puzzles and what your connected dots should look like. So that was Flora, Fauna, Botanicals, and Bees, a sticker, color, and activity book. So yeah, this one. Oh, thank you for staying through for the flip through today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you to see the contents of these books. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, a like, a comment, a share, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.